All right, buckle up, crypto enthusiasts. We're about to dive into the wild world of decentralized finance, where the underdog is finally getting its moment in the spotlight. You're at a fancy crypto conference, sipping on overpriced coffee, when suddenly, the big boss of Binance drops a truth bomb that makes you spit out your latte. So there I was, minding my own business at the Binday event in Tokyo, when Changpeng CZ, the mastermind behind Binance, casually mentions that decentralized exchanges are about to leave centralized ones in the dust. I mean, talk about a plot twist. It's like finding out your favorite superhero has been secretly working for the villain all along. Now, don't get me wrong, centralized exchanges are still the cool kids at the crypto table. They've got all the liquidity and user-friendly vibes that make newbies feel like they're not completely lost in the digital wilderness. But CZ's got a hunch that the tides are turning, and DeFi is about to crash the party like that one friend who always shows up uninvited, but ends up being the life of the night. Picture a DEX that's so private, efficient, and user-friendly. It makes your current exchange look like a flip phone in the age of smartphones. That's the kind of game changer CZ's talking about. It's enough to make you want to build a time machine, go back 20 years, and start coding in your parents' basement. Speaking of which, CZ dropped another bombshell that had me questioning my life choices. He said if he were 20 years younger, he'd be all over building an AI-powered trading bot and a privacy-focused perpetual DEX. I don't know about you, but I suddenly felt very old and very unaccomplished. Thanks for the existential crisis, CZ. But here's the kicker. While the DeFi dream sounds all rainbows and unicorns, there are still some pesky hurdles to overcome. Regulations are like that one friend who always wants to play by the rules at game night. Necessary, but kind of a buzzkill. And don't even get me started on the liquidity issues with real-world assets. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole, but with more zeros involved. Despite these challenges, CZ's standing firm on his belief that DeFi is the future of finance. It's like he's seen the crypto crystal ball, and it's showing a world where we all live in decentralized harmony. Cue the utopian soundtrack. Now, let's talk numbers, because who doesn't love a good chart party? According to CoinGecko's report, DEXs hit their all-time high in spot trading volumes in Q2 2025. It's like watching the underdog team in a sports movie montage, slowly but surely climbing to the top. Meanwhile, CEXs are starting to sweat, realizing their reign might be coming to an end. Even Binance, the big kahuna of centralized exchanges, saw its quarterly spot trading volume take a nosedive to $1.47 trillion. I know, only $1.47 trillion. Cry me a river, right? But in the crypto world, that's like going from driving a Lamborghini to settling for a Toyota Corolla. Still gets you places, but where's the flex? And if you think Binance had it rough, wait till you hear about the other CEXs. Some poor souls out there endured a 61% drop in volume. That's not a dip, that's a free fall without a parachute. Even Coinbase, the golden child of user-friendly exchanges, couldn't escape the slowdown. It's like watching all the popular kids in high school suddenly lose their cool factor overnight. But while the CEXs are having their you can't sit with us moment, DEXs are throwing the party of the century. Leading the conga line is none other than This surge in DEX popularity isn't just about the numbers. It's a whole vibe shift. Traders are starting to realize that having control over their assets and privacy is pretty darn cool. It's like finally moving out of your parents' house and realizing you can eat ice cream for breakfast if you want to. Freedom tastes sweet, my friends. But wait, there's more. Enter the world of hybrid DeFi platforms, the crypto equivalent of a mullet haircut. Business in the front, party in the back, and somehow it just works. These platforms are like the cool chemistry teacher who makes learning fun. They reblending the best of both worlds to give users low slippage trades, protection from those pesky MEV attacks, and faster execution speeds, all while keeping things transparent with on-chain settlement. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but the cake is made of blockchain. Binance Research, always on the ball, pointed out that these innovations are making DEXs more scalable and competitive. It's like watching David bulk up to take on Goliath, and suddenly the fight doesn't seem so one-sided anymore. The gap between DEXs and CEXs is closing faster than you can say decentralized autonomous organization. And let's not forget about the regulatory Wild West that is DeFi. While traditional finance is stuck playing by the rules, DeFi is out there writing its own playbook. It's like comparing a strict boarding school to a Montessori. One's all about structure, while the other's letting creativity run wild. This flexibility has allowed DeFi to experiment and roll out new features faster than you can keep up with crypto Twitter drama. The result? A steady climb in on-chain volumes that's making CEXs nervous. It's like watching the slow but inevitable rise of streaming services, while Blockbuster desperately tries to stay relevant. Pour one out for Blockbuster, folks. So, what's the takeaway from all this crypto chaos? Well, it looks like decentralization might just be the cool kid on the block after all. While CEXs are still holding on to their crown, the DeFi revolution is coming in hot, armed with innovation, privacy, and a whole lot of pancake-themed swaps. Will DEXs completely overtake CEXs? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the crypto world is changing faster than you can say blockchain, and it's anyone's game. So whether you're Team CEX or Team DEX, buckle up and enjoy the ride. Just remember to DYOR, do your own research, and maybe don't put all your eggs in one crypto basket, unless that basket is made of unbreakable, decentralized diamond hands. In that case, YOLO responsibly, my friends,